Okay, hello from somewhere really special. I have just checked into Buahan, a Banyan Tree Escape resort by the village of Buahan in Bali. It's an entirely wall-free resort, which you'll understand in a second. And this is a tour of our villa, which is villa number 3. Okay, let's go. You got your little saloon-style doors to come in. Here's the do not disturb sign, very ornate when you're inside. Then walk along this little pebble-stoned walkway into the villa, which is one of 16, which are fairly similar, but all placed in different locations with somewhat different views. Here is our private pool, which I'm getting into in a minute. You get a glimmer of the view there. We'll show that later. Here's the little private bail where you can relax. Lounger big enough for a couple to use together. This is an adult-only resort. Very romantic, really wild. Okay, then coming up, here you'll see what it means to be a wall-free resort. So there are curtains you can draw and blinds that can be brought down to keep it cool for privacy, but otherwise you are entirely open and exposed to the elements. And here is the view that you can enjoy as a result of that at all times throughout the day, completely unimpeded. So here is our lounge area within the room. We have a welcome cocktail here, which is called the Bali Groni, a local take on a Negroni. Then going forward, here is the bed itself. Just had a birthday, so they've kindly dressed it up like that. One of the things we were concerned about, and I have yet to really fully discover, is how it works with bugs and so on, with this being entirely open. So what's typical is that people will draw the net curtains and the mosquito nets around the bed a turn down each evening, which they do a little bit before sunset. And then they additionally have this quite advanced aircon system with this implement here. So basically there's a control panel behind the bed that you can use for aircon. Then air waves up through this component and circulates within the bed space contained within the mosquito net. Apparently very advanced. A friend of mine has used it elsewhere, says it works impressively well, unexpectedly well. I'll know a little bit more about that later. Here again is the incredible view from the bathtub. So this bathtub, like a lot of the furniture, in fact pretty much all the furniture, was made by hand. And in this instance it's a copper handmade bathtub constructed by Javanese artisans. I'm getting everything wrong. And it took them 100 hours to create it. Then going through here, you have your double shower. There's the view of the bedroom again. Here is your storage and wardrobe space. Got your lanterns ready to take you to the main building. Double sinks. There I am. And then I wondered how far the no wall concept extended, and it does apply to the toilet too. So here's the bed. There's the toilet. So no wall, but it does kind of curve in. And there's your convenience. There's the view looking out. Okay, so that might take a little bit getting used to for some people, but this really is an absolutely spectacular resort with the most incredible view, really special atmosphere. We've just had lunch, which was fantastic, amazing pool on the mountaintop as well, and the views are just phenomenal. So really, really impressive so far, and it feels like a very special place.